Hello everyone, let us discuss invoice booking and accounting in Boon. Purchasing items or services is an integral part of any business. We buy items such as fixed assets like plant and machinery, current assets like raw materials, hire certain professional services. All these transactions involve a purchase and we need to book the invoice in the system. The process involves two steps: invoice booking and accounting, payment to the vendor. Invoice booking involves a bill with all the expenses as line items. Total of these lines are considered as a credit from the vendor. Now the accounting entries are debit purchase expenses, credit sundry creditors with vendors as subledger. Now comes the second step. Here we pay out the credit to the vendor from the cash or bank account. The accounting for payment is debit sundry creditors with vendor as subledger, credit bank ledger account. Once this step is completed, the sundry creditors will be nullified. In Boon application, vendor invoice booking is a part of purchase management which involve a procurement cycle. This is a multi-step process starting from purchase requisition, request for quote, vendor quotations, purchase agreement or purchase order, purchase order to vendor invoice. In this demo, our motive is to discuss vendor invoice and payment. The above process can be discussed in detail later. Let us now discuss the master requirements to enter vendor invoice. The master entries are vendor account, item with purchase expense account, sundry creditor account in chart of account, bank ledger account in chart of account, bank in bank master. Let us log into Boon application. We will now navigate to purchase management, processes, vendors. Click New button. Enter the vendor name, check activate and save the vendor. Click address button, click new and enter new address to the vendor. Navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Setup, Chart of Accounts. We require 3 accounts for this demo: sundry creditors, purchase expense account, bank ledger account. We already have bank ledger account in chart of accounts. Similarly, we will open account 20021, name it as creditors. We will save the record without activating so that it will act as group of creditors. Now we will open 20021, name it sundry creditors. We will set the subledger type as vendor so that it accepts vendor as subledger. Now we will activate and save record. We will open 30010 as purchase expenses, set type as expense and save the record. Now we will open an account 30011 professional expenses as the ledger account. We will not select subledger type so that it will act as a ledger account only. Activate and save the record. Next master required is item master and the posting profile attached to the item. Now navigate to inventory management, process, item master. Click new and add new item and name it professional services. Set the unit for the item. Now click the setup tab. Here we can define inventory related setup such as stocked item, physical or financial inventory, etc. We are keeping this setup as it is, since professional services is not a stocked item. Now save the record. Click posting profile button, click new and select purchase expenses account as 30011, which is professional expenses ledger. Save the record and close the form. To record a vendor invoice, we require a setup called purchase order type. Navigate to purchase management, setup, purchase order type. We can create a new setup INVMC, name it Invoice Mumbai Corp. Set creditor account as 20021, which is our sundry creditor account. We will set the default dimensions and default values and save the record. Now we will record the invoice. Navigate to purchase management, process, vendor invoice. Vendor invoice form opens. Click new, select order type, enter vendor bill number in vendor invoice reference. On selecting vendor ID, name, address, dimension, etc. came automatically from order type and vendor master. Enter narration and save the record. Now we will record the lines. Click new in lines and select the item professional services. Enter quantity and unit price and save the record. To check the accounting entries, just click vouchers, unposted vouchers. We will get the credit and debit entries of the invoice. Click print button to get a printable report. Close unposted voucher and click post invoice button. On confirmation voucher will get posted. Once posted, to check the voucher, click vouchers, posted voucher. We will get the accounting and print similar to unposted voucher. To get a print of vendor invoice, click invoice report button. We will get printable format of invoice. To attach the invoice provided by the vendor, just scan the invoice and click attach file and attach the documents. Now let us evaluate the reports. We will navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Reports, Ledger Report. Execute report for financial year 2021-22. We can notice sundry creditors in credit and provisional expenses in debit. Now open trial balance report for financial year 2021-22. We can note the creditors and professional expenses accounts in trial balance. Navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Processes, MIS, Financial Reports. Select Balance Sheet Schedule 6 and click Execute Report. Click Print button to open balance sheet. We will notice the invoice value in trade payable and balance sheet shows a loss in reserves and surplus. Similar to balance sheet, open Profit and Loss report. We will notice the loss incurred due to purchase. Now let us make payment to the vendor. Navigate to Purchase Management, Processes, Journals, Payment Journal. Click New, select Journal type, dimensions and other information came automatically. Save the record. Journal number gets generated. Click Journal Details button. In Journal Details, select Bank in Offset Subledger. Enter narration and save the record. Now click New in Line section. Select Account, Sundry Creditors and select the vendor in Subledger. Enter the payment amount in debit and save the record. Offset credit will automatically appear. Click the Journal Subledger and check the accounting entries. Close Subledger and post the journal. Once posted, we will check the voucher. Once again, we will navigate to Finance and Accounts Management, Reports, Ledger Report. Execute report for the financial year 2021-22. We can notice that sundry creditor balance becomes 0 because payable is settled with payment. Payment amount reflects in bank current account ledger. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.